What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and the September 7 event of the iPhone 14 series is here and we have its first look which you can see right now. And the phone is indeed coming with a punch hole and a pill-shaped camera cutout for the Pro series, and it can also be converted into a complete single pill-shaped cutout for the cameras. Well, not only that, only the Pro series will be getting this treatment and the Pro Max, whereas the Vanilla 14 and the Vanilla 14 Max will be getting a notch cutout in their camera. Well, the notch will be this time smaller when compared to the iPhone 13 series, and that's about the design changes. But the camera will also be bigger with this smartphone. With a 48 megapixel of a primary camera, you will also be getting an always on display finally on an iPhone, which is again some of the breakthrough features for iPhone when compared to the Android is doing for like almost for more than half a decade. Well, apart from that, these smartphone also be coming with the, this time there will be indeed no mini version of the iPhone and it's replaced by the Max one, and the Pro series might be getting a price hike of $69 when compared to the $1,000 price market in the right now scenario for the 13 Max. Well, not only that, there is also an upgrade for the 14 and the 14 Pro series only, which is the A16 Bionic chip is only coming for the 14 Pro and the 14 Pro Max. The 13 and the 14 and the 14 Max will be coming with the A15 Bionic chip only, which was used in iPhone 13 series, and these smartphones might get a price cut too. Well, coming with the older chipset to sell it, Apple might get a price cutout for the smartphones too. So let's wait and find out about the smartphone in next video. So if you like this video, do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the very next one.